Hi, my name is Leslie Bonci. I'm a sports dietitian in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and today we are talking about whey protein and other ways that you could use it. Whey protein is found in milk. It is also in cheese, yogurt, and ricotta. But in addition to that, there are other ways that you might find it in the grocery store. One of those ways is to find a whey protein powder. Or you can sometimes see items called whey protein isolate. The difference between these two, the powders typically have carbohydrate added to it as well as vitamins and minerals. The isolate is just the source of the protein alone. Good news about the isolate is that this is also extremely low in lactose. So if you are lactose intolerant, you can use whey protein isolate as a way of helping to ensure your protein needs are met every day. Another way that you might find it is in various bars, and they'll say on the ingredient list whey protein concentrate or whey protein isolate or whey protein powder, so that can be another way that you get it in. But what else could we do? Well, one of the things we could do is we could certainly make a smoothie. So we could use milk, we could add our protein powder or isolate, and we could add fruit, and there you go. That would be a great way to get some whey protein into your diet. If you're looking for something a little bit different, we could actually take our whey protein powder or isolate and we could add it to oats for a very high protein bowl, or we could add it to a nut butter. Peanut butter or almond butter or a cashew butter, wonderful way to give you a little bit more whey protein. And the other way you can use it is in a savory application. Now you want to make sure if you're going to do that, you use something unflavored. So we could do our unflavored whey protein isolate and add it to hummus to boost the protein content, or add it to something like guacamole to give you a little bit more. So, not only in milk, cheese, yogurt, ricotta, but all the different ways that we could use whey every day help to make sure you're getting something delicious, nutritious, and great for your body as well. Thanks.